Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to stop glance wallpaper on your Oppo now. First, confirm your model and color OS version in settings so you follow the right menu paths. Once done, make sure the phone has enough battery and is on Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions during settings changes. Next, unlock the screen so you can immediately see results. You'll open the correct settings screen next. Don't search randomly. Go straight to display or glance/lock screen settings as I'll show. Now open settings and go to display or lock screen and password. Naming varies with color OS. You'll see entries like glance, smart wallpaper, or ambient display. Tap the one that matches. Inside, locate toggles for glance, wallpaper recommendations, or show curated content. Turn them off. If a confirmation appears, accept it so changes apply system-wide. Make sure you back out and lock the screen to verify that the glance content no longer appears. Repeat, finish by restarting your Oppo to ensure cached glance content is cleared and changes stick. After reboot, lock and wake the screen to confirm the wallpaper feed is gone. If it returns, check app's special access display over other apps and revoke permissions for the glance or wallpaper app. Make sure you remove any auto start rights. As a last resort, clear glance app data or uninstall updates, then reboot. If problems persist, contact support with your model and color OS version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.